Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I am going to show you how to crochet a half double crochet stitch. This stitch is a great middle ground between single and double crochets, giving you a height and density. So grab your yarn and hook, and let's get started. To demonstrate, I will work on the round of single crochets. First, yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over again and pull through the stitch. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over once more and pull through all 3 loops on your hook. You've just made a half double crochet stitch. Continue this process. Yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over again, pull through, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button below for more crochet tutorials and tips.